Today we will review, since we have a quiz next class. We'll start off with the combining like terms, and we'll go into distribution and then working on the replacement sets. Those are the topics that you'll see on this quiz, things from lesson 1.4 and 1.5. In the first one, we're talking about combining like terms. Like terms have the same variable raised to the same power. When I'm looking at this first problem, I see that I have 4x plus 7x minus x. Well, 4x plus 7x is 11x, and 11x minus 1x will give me 10x. And then I combine like terms. 9 minus 2 is 7. 10 plus 7, 10x plus 7. In my next one, my like terms are here in the center, as well as those constants on the outsides. I can rewrite this if I wanted to as 5x minus 3x. Then I'm going to commutative property move that over. And when I combine that, I'll have 5x minus 3x, which is 2x, and 24 plus 6, which is 30. On to our next problem. 9x minus 4x plus 5y minus y. Like terms are right next to each other, what makes this easy. I'm now going to get 15x. 5y minus 1y will give me 4y. Okay. Fourth problem. I notice that again, in the center here, I have some like terms, and there's also like terms on the outer sides. So I can have my 11xy plus a 5xy. So I can take this first term and combine it with the last term, and then I'll take my x terms and simplify them. Well, 5xy plus 11xy will give me 16xy, and then 7x minus x will give me 6x. So there's a little review of combining like terms. Now, on to our next group. Let's simplify. In the couple, there'll be combining like terms, and in the other couple, there will be distribution. Looking at my like terms, again, I have a 9x and a negative 7x. You can, if you want, rewrite them with the signs, like signs together, like terms together. Sometimes people find that easier. You know that these constants are like terms. You don't have to rewrite it if you don't want to. This will give me a 2x, and 4 plus 9 is 13. There are two terms in this expression. Two terms. We talked about terms as well. This is on the quiz. I have 2x and I have 13. 13 is a constant. Why? Because there's no variable attached to it. And then I have 2, which is the number in front, as my coefficient. On to the problem below. Again, I see a negative 8x plus 5x. Negative 8x plus 5x will give me a negative 3x. I also have 12 minus 8, which is 4. Again, my constant is 4, no variable attached. Negative 3 is my coefficient. On to distribution. 6x times 7x is 42x squared. In my next part of the distribution, 6x times 4 is 24x. There is no constant in this term. There are two coefficients. 42 and 24 are coefficients. They are numbers in front of variables. In the fourth problem, I see first off a distribution. That will give me 28x minus 35 plus 2. Combine some like terms. 28x minus 33. A negative 33 is my constant. 28 is my coefficient. There are 2 more here. Go ahead and try those. And a reminder that when you multiply, you add your exponents. We'll go over those 2 in class. Another reminder, when you're combining like terms, you do not change your exponents. A 4x plus a 5x is just a 9x. A 12x squared minus 6x squared will be 6x squared. My exponents do not change. In this one, I can combine like terms and get 5x cubed plus 4x squared. You now have a series of good examples to review for your quiz. The second part, besides naming coefficients and constants and combining like terms and distribution, was let's test for a possible solution. If you recall from our last session, we're going to take out the variable and replace it with the given value. In this case, that value is 5. I'm now going to simplify, and I get 15 minus 1, and I wonder if that's equal to 13. Well, when I simplify or subtract on one side, I see that 14 does not equal 13, so my conclusion is 5 is not a solution. One more. Let's test this out to see if 3 is a solution. Once again, I replace x with the given value. I simplify using my order of operations. I now add. I see 10 is equal to 10, so now my conclusion is that 3 is a solution to this equation. And that's the review of what will be on our quiz next class. We'll go over more in person, and until then, have a nice day.